In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a border to text in Google Slides. Now, I'm not talking about text outline, which is just the area or the outline of the surrounding text. I'm talking about the text border that is surrounding the text box area. So it's going to be this area. You will see there is this selection, and the border will be created exactly on these lines. And if you want to create a visible border, you just need to select on the text box. And then you want to select this option that says border color, and you can select any color you want. I think I'm going to select the color this purple. And if you are not happy with how thin this border really is, then you just need to adjust the border weight. Click on this menu and select the weight for this border. I think I'm going to select it to be 8 pixels, which is pretty strong. And also you can choose the style of this border. There is an option to use this style or also this style, whichever you like. And there are many variations that you can apply for this border setting. So yeah, that's basically on how you can create a border surrounding text box in Google Slides.